How long, oh Lord, will you forget me forever? How long will you hide your face from me? How long must I take counsel in my soul and have sorrow in my heart all the day? How long, oh Lord, how long? Consider me and answer me, oh Lord my God. How long, oh, how long? But I have trusted in your steadfast love. My heart will rejoice in your salvation. I will sing to the Lord because He has dealt bountifully with me. How long, oh Lord, will you forget me forever? How long will you hide your face from me? How long must I take counsel in my soul and have sorrow in my heart all the day? How long, oh Lord, how long? Consider me and answer me, oh Lord my God. How long, oh, how long? But I have trusted